Job 1. NRI Financial Technologies India Provide Limited, Nomura Research Institute. Job description: Business Analyst, experience 3 to 6 years. Location: Kolkata. Contacts: send your CV to this mail. Job 2. GenNext India Private Limited. Requirement: Relationship Manager, Liabilities Products. Qualification: any graduate, any postgraduate. Work experience 4+ years. Sourcing new customers, enhancing existing relationship, analyzing needs and cross-selling products and services. To create new customers and also enhance the existing relationship with customers by analyzing her needs. Location: Kolkata, Salt Lake. Email ID given, mobile given. Job 3. Urgent hiring. Requirement: qualification BTech Mechanical and BTech Electrical, experience in preventive maintenance, operating FFS machines, cartoning machines, hammer mills, pulverizers, in-hand experience in motor rewinding, change part, etc. Location: Bangalore. Salary negotiable, accommodation free. Contacts: send your resume to this mail. Job 4. Company name: The Blind Edit Type Home Decor. Job role: Sales Executive. Requirement: qualification graduate with fluency in English and Hindi. Age limit 40. Experience minimum 1 year. Duty hours 8 hours. Location: Quest Mall. Salary depends on experience. Contact 98754 Job 5. Blue Dart requires courier delivery executive in Rajarhat, Newtown. Requirement: must know English, bike and license are mandatory. Salary 12,500. Location: Rajarhat, Newtown, Shapurji. Contact WhatsApp 7990761440. Write Blue Dart. Job 6. Company name: Fitnet Gym Chain. Requirement: job role: senior accountant, company gym chain, 23 in total. Gender: male or female. Qualification: graduate in commerce with good MS Excel and Tally prime skills. Age about 21 years. Duty timing 10 am to 7 pm, 9 hours including break. Week of Sunday. Experience minimum 2 years. Experience required in accounting and taxation. Required skills: ability to do Tally, accounting, GST, filling and building Excel base, MIS and budgeting. Location: Fitnet corporate office near Ruby. Available in Google. Salary 18k to 20k per month. Contacts given. Job 7. Field job: mass work hiring for Noihati clusters. Requirement: designation BD officer sales, assistant manager. Job role: visit open market, lead generation and account opening, savings and current. Criteria: freshers, experienced male female candidates apply. Qualification: graduate. Age 21 to 33. Duty hours 9 am to 7 pm. Salary for freshers 15,000 for 1 year or any experience, 17,000 for 2 years, any experience, 19,000. Location: Noihati. Contact 700-121-3186. Job 8. Urgent hiring. Experience 1 to 2 years in manufacturing industry. Location: Bangalore. Contact send your resume to this mail. Job 9. Golden learning opportunity to do these diploma courses while working. Requirements: ITI of 2 years pass out. ITI trade to be considered: MNB fitter, turner, machinist, machinist gender, machinist grinder, instrument mechanic, wireman, electrician, electronics, technician, mechanics, maintenance mechanic. Passing marks 40% for female and 50% for male. Age minimum of 18 years and maximum of 23 years of age at the time of registration. Benefits: PP, canteen and transport at subsidized rate. Uniform 3 sets per year. Insurance: GPA 7.5 LPA to GMA 10.1 LPA. Workmen compensation: leave 18 days annually, leaving adjustment every year. On the job training deployed in all shift, plant specific. OT payment as per Factories Act. Stipend 12600 INR per month. Location given. Contact Somir Mondol 9830535768. Job 10. Company name: jewelry designation, counter sales. Requirements: candidate must have minimum 1 year experience in any jewelry sector. Education: HS graduation. Role: responsibility, customer handling and counter sales. Age 20 to 40. Duty timing 11:30 am to 8 pm. Gender preference: male or female. Location: Salt Lake Sector 1. Contacts 79801 99155.